But the gaming chair that I recommend right now for the money, it's just the best you can get, you know? Like, comfort is number one priority for this chair. So let's talk about it, you know? How many of y'all heard about the brand GTRACING? Mostly like a lot of people, right? Just because so many YouTubers use it. You guys seen them using them, right? So this is my topic right here, the chair. The most comfortable gaming chair in the world. You guys can pick up right now. The GTRACING gaming chair. It's an office and a gaming chair as well. The cushions at the back, like, it's just super soft. I used to own one. This chair, I use it for like a couple of years. And it's really, really amazing. The softest neck rest you guys can get in the market. It comes with this chair. The back rest, the cushion for back and your lower back. Oh my God, it just... wow. It's like you're sitting on a cloud. It's that soft and that comfy. Like sometimes it's like that good that I almost fell asleep on this chair. Trust me. It's like while watching movies, you know, if a movie's boring, you guys just, you know, get this lever right here and you can just make it like a bed, you know, like you just pull it back like this. Like it's a great chair. It's a great chair, everybody. Like, you guys can do all kinds of stuff with this chair. These things are, you know, you guys can raise this thing up according to your knees. You guys can slide them if you guys want. Like, you guys can just tilt it all the way 90 degree. You go back, chill out for 180 degree. You can do it. It's going up. The wheels can support up to 350 pounds of weight. So you guys already know this is some heavy duty stuff right here. It ain't gonna break. Plus, look at how stylish it is. For us gamers and people who care about our setup so much, this chair is just like a blessing. It's much proof free or like it's gonna get dirty or sweaty. Trust me, that's not the deal. Plus, you can easily clean it. If like you drop something in by mistake, it's easy to clean. Get a wet cloth, rub it, it's gone. It's don't soak, you know, the other like dirty steak like a mayo sauce or anything, and it's don't leave stains, you know. So highly recommend it. It's a really amazing chair, the best gaming chair in the world. Let me give you guys a 360 look of this chair. Like, look at it. Wow, right? I'm a great fan of this blue color. Blue is my favorite color, and if I was you and blue is my favorite color, I'll just buy it right now.